Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be playing with my two birds, and I think I haven't notified you yet with my other bird. Before we get started with the video, make sure to like and subscribe in 3 seconds this time, because I know you guys might have practiced doing that. So let's see how fast you can do it. 3, 2, 1, 0. Have you liked and subscribed yet? If you did, that means I should have some more subscribers and likes. But, okay, let's get started with this video. So, yes, it is in my room, if you're asking where it is. And I have changed the cage because there's two birds and they need larger space, and sometimes the cat called Luna that I have right now is very easy to play with the birds, but this one is harder. So I'm gonna be telling you all the information about the yellow bird in my next video, because in this video it will be playing with the birds, but I don't know if Boba, oopsies, I told the name, but maybe Boba will come out so you can take a closer look of her. So yeah, so that was one hint of what the bird's name is and what kind of thing it is, like what the name is. Okay, Boba, you gonna come on? I'll leave the door open for Boba. I'll leave the other side door open for Boba, and right now Lucky's on my iPad, which he's very good because he always listens to come outside. Oops, I can always listen. Okay. So there Lucky is. If you haven't seen Lucky yet in my other videos, if you haven't seen Lucky in my other videos, make sure to check it out because it's pretty cool. Like, I think I've told you the story, right? If I haven't told you the story, which I forgot if I told you or not, I'll tell you the story of how I found Lucky, in case you guys didn't hear, or I didn't tell the story in my other video with only Lucky. So the story was, one time I was walking with my friend called Chloe, and when I was close to home, where I live is in Sumeru, like besides my home, there was a police office kind of place. And it was really sunny. So we had an umbrella. But once I looked to the side at the police station to see if any poor animals or stray animals are there, there was actually a bird. And my auntie said while we were walking, we can bring it home. But when we tried to bring it home, one of the guard said we have to ask permission to the police first. And this is the exciting part. When we went to the police station and we talked to them, the police said, yes, we can keep it. And then when we went to my house, I was very scared that Luna was going to do something to it, but that was no worries. She didn't do anything. So I quickly put it in a small kind of box thingy, and it escaped after lunch when it come to check on him. And then, actually, my auntie found a bigger box, which would be better for him and easy for him to breathe. Well, you just open it, nicer, kind of bigger. And what we fed him was Skyflex and water. And he really liked it. Until we changed to a black cage with proper food. Bird food. And then there was one other day that we got a blue cage. And a few days after, I think I remember, actually, that's where we brought this bird called Boba. And they've kissed a lot, which I'm so happy that they love each other. Because if they didn't like each other, they wouldn't be friends. And they had to be separated. I think they would be. And they also do talk to each other. But this is it for the video. I will be making another video really, really soon after this one uploads or while it uploads. And I already told you what it's going to be, so see you later. Bye.